Here's how to burn body fat 24 hours a day. Now, chances are you've heard of intermittent fasting.
Okay, first of all, what the hell does it even mean to burn fat 24 hours a day? It's totally irrelevant. I'm sure he's got a few valid points, but I'm going to save you guys the rambling about insulin levels and cutting out carbs. You don't need intermittent fasting to lose weight. You don't need to cut out carbs. You don't need the carnivore diet. You only need to be in a calorie deficit. Now, before you guys stone me with rocks, this is actually the best news ever because it means you can still eat whatever you like as long as you stay within your calorie goals, which is quite honestly not that hard if you're eating a relatively healthy diet. Fasting on its own won't help you lose weight. The only reason it can help you lose weight is because usually when you fast, you go into a calorie deficit, and it's exactly the same thing for any other dieting strategy. Here's what I want you to realize. No dieting strategy will save you if you don't actually change your lifestyle and your eating habits. Because yes, you can maybe start fasting for a few months and maybe you actually see great results. But as soon as you get off that fasting diet, if you didn't change your lifestyle and your eating habits, you're just gonna get fat again. Focus less on getting the perfect strategy and focus more on changing the way you live. Because if you don't change, your results will also not change.